Hey, welcome to the Easy Art Fun Show. Today on the show, we are going to be making an easy alien creature. Why don't you join me? All right, welcome back to the show. Today on the show, we're going to make this cool alien monster. First of all, we are going to make eyes that kind of come out of its head like this. All right, so I'm just going to draw two big eyeballs just like that. Two circles. One circle right here and one circle right there. Okay. And the body of the alien monster is going to be kind of down here. And I'm going to try to make it like a, almost like a triangle, but kind of rounded edges. So when you're drawing this, I want you to use a pencil because you're going to be making some erase marks. So I'm just going to kind of sketch out a kind of a triangle, kind of like this. And it kind of comes up like about rounded and then comes back down there. This is just a sketch. You're going to be erasing these lines right here, okay? And so I'm going to have the body here. It's going to be coming up right here to the eyes, and then it's going to go around that circle just like that. Okay, and then it's going to come in and then kind of curve and go like that. So make these parts kind of curve. Don't just come straight down, kind of make them curve in like that. And let's do another one here, kind of curvy, and then come around over here and then go around your circle just like that. And come down right into here. And then you can go ahead and erase your little mark that you made here. All right. And for this part right here, I'm just going to go ahead and make a mouth. And I think I might just make, I'm going to try a couple of different mouths, but I think I'm going to make an oval mouth like this. All right, kind of squiggly. All right, so it kind of looks like a squid type of alien there. And I'm going to go ahead and put my pupils in here. I'll make a nice big circle here. And a nice big one right there. All right, kind of looking neat, isn't it? All right, so down here, I'm just going to kind of outline my lines that I have. And they're not straight lines, they're just kind of curvy. And then down here, I'll just kind of make it kind of curvy, kind of go up, take out any kind of straight lines, and then come right up into the eye. All right, I'm going to outline right here. And with the mouth, you can keep the mouth like that if you want to, or you could draw a line that goes in the middle. So it looks like there's two lips that are put together. Or if you don't want that line in there, you can always put in teeth like this. Put a couple of teeth scattered around there. You could have teeth on the top or in the top and the bottom, however you want. So you can kind of experiment to see how you want that mouth. You know, be creative there. With this also, you could add arms if you want to. And remember, your arms can just kind of come up here, and maybe with this you could just have maybe like 3 fingers and come back in like that, and then go ahead and erase this line right here. All right, and we'll go ahead and do the same thing here. Make the arm come up, give it 3 fingers like that, bring it coming down, and then erase this line right here. So you could have hands on there. You could even make another set of hands if you want to, but that is our easy cheesy slug. Hey, I hope you had a terrific day drawing with me. I hope you check out my other videos on here, and like always, have a fun day. Adios. Bye-bye.